Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boy Sanders coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What go on, peeps? Are we there? Are we done it up?
Brand new banger.
Why you do it, John Cross?
Banger! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, make we get right into the video. So me get 2 clips yesterday, guys, and me see some things that surfaced around the internet based on the liquor rain we fall yesterday. Liquor rain we fall yesterday, guys. So we'll get right tonight and react to it right now and see what go on. Ready or now? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, the Knutsford. Hold on, the Knutsford Court Hotel that. New Kingston. Yo, at Chelsea Avenue that, you know? Underwater, you know? Underwater. And the man there, him stuck in a rain, in a water. So a chance him did a chance it and get stuck out there. Also, you want to be brave, huh? That's crazy. Anyway, make we look on the next one, you know. Because there's bigger things going on. Got 2 clips.
This is a lot. Lord, please don't let my car shut up.
Yeah. Wouldn't you see half a tree that? What? Hold on. Well, on election time now. I don't know how people who vote and the Jamaica flood out. It's coming down. It's coming down. Alright, peeps. So the next one here now. Like we hear go on.
Present that whole conversation to you guys here on Sound Chat Radio. So I want you guys to take a listen to this gentleman's testimony and then tell me, what advice would you give him? What would you do if you were in his situation? Is his, significant other just wicked and a dirty man dirty? Or is this gentleman putting himself through unnecessary stress? You will be the judge. Let me know. 718-554-8598. Take a listen. Caller, you're live.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, I can't even talk too good because I don't want people to recognize my voice, but I live on answer.
You live where you say?
Find my wife. Listen, I find my wife, send her to school. I catch her with 1 man, forgive her. Catch her with 2 man, forgive her. Catch her with a 3rd man, beat the 3rd man. Then I catch her with a 4th man, beat the 4th man. Then I catch her with a 5th man, then I beat her. And you know what happened? I pick up 3 years probation. After I pick up 3 years probation, I still go back again and forgive her. I live back in her house, buy her house this time. With a rent house, buy her house. Catch her again now with the 7th man. I say, no, I'm not pay for your car. Let the man pay for your car. She still live in my house. Lay on my bed. 3 o'clock, Saturday night, and she can't put on her clothes and cut out. I don't say nothing. The more I know my situation, what must I do? Must I walk away?
My brother,
leave my youth,
your brother, you're strong. You're strong.
Yes, I leave my youth them. They say that's a problem. You see, I've been through this already, you know. I have 3 daughters before. I left my 3 daughters and my 3 daughters and mash up. Now I have another one and a boy. So you know what? I say, I stick it out. I wait. Because my youth them is 9 and 11. So I say, I stick it out and wait a little bit before I really cut and leave them. Because the way the system set up, them not gonna give the father the fit to them. Not care how good the father is, not care how much money the father is, as long as the mother is not doing them harm.
Right.
But what? But at the same time, you as a man, you know what, they're not down the road and see our next man I drive you fitting them. And I live life, you're fitting them, and you're out here fitting them life. So that's how America set up. America set up where it broke family and build family. So like, you know, woman in welfare, it said a woman can't say she don't need no man. Then you have 3 men out the road, them see you with a woman in your family, you know. I've been in Red Lobster and I see a man park behind me, and I'm literally writing phone number in the ear. So you see, in life, man, everybody, you see the man, what I'm saying now, what you are where I'm saying, yo, every man build different. Every man can take it, every man can deal with it. But it's like, what can you do? Me not say, me not a killer. You understand? But there comes a point where you want to put on your foot, you don't know what your action you're supposed to take.
So you feel trapped?
Yeah, man, you know that trap.
But
Your mother pray for me. Everybody pray, everybody say, yo, walk away. But how can you walk away? Pride here make you walk away.
But let me ask you this before Ninja says what he's saying. Are you staying with this woman after the 7th time because you still love her, or are you staying with her because you know what's going to happen to your kids when in your absence?
All of the above.
All of the above.
Carla, Ewa.
Still love her because what? Ewa. You see the thing is, as much as I see that woman, some woman tell me say, as she put on her clothes and cut out her house Saturday morning, Sunday morning, 3 a.m. You know, so to come home back, she cook dinner. And when my daughter tell her watch me car, she said to me, say, yo, you're not coming from eat. I'm coming from eat. She say, you're not praying. You're for praying. So now, tell me, isn't that emotional? Isn't that emotional abuse?
Brother. Carla, Ewa, first of all, big man thing, you have to big because you're strong, brother. Because here we are going. Here we are going.
The brother man tell me the same thing.
Here we are going now.
The brother man tell the same thing.
You see that your situation now? You know the situation, right? See? You see the point where you say you get the first, second, and third one till you end up after physically touch her. And next person might see that already and say, yo, or if you put your hand on woman and put your hand on this, but them not realize, I say it all the while, them not realize something when man got true be because as a man like you know who have been cheated on so many times, and you still hold it, and you still have it there, so there are man out there who probably can't do the same as you, brother. Who probably can't even take the same thing where you take, brother. It leads to certain things that we don't want it to lead to. We only give thanks, say, you was someone that can hold out, and you know, you see the bigger picture, and you say, you know what, let me just hold on upon this. But enough man can't do this, brother. I'm never commend for that.
Let me ask you, because you said the Bonner man tell you for prayer?
No, the Bonner man say, yo, you're the wickedest thing.
So you know him?
So, when I tell you, yo, it's like, I pass them, you know I'm a car, I mean pay for the car, I pass them with the car, I'm a draw down for the toilet and block them in, right a footprint, I'm going to the car upon them. And when I look on the man, I say, you know what, I do a different approach. All the while, I rush the man, I leave the man alone. You know what happened? 2 weeks later, the man died in my house. The man send him youth, come on my yard, come spend the weekend.
What? Yo, brother. Man, yeah.
Sometimes something you can't even talk to nobody. Only God alone me can't talk.
Sorry, that woman that even the man that try your patience as much as you love your kids.
It's not even try. It's not even yo. Me tell you something. Me tell you how I know. It's like everybody knows me.
Hey.
And everybody knows she.
I may have advice.
When I get married, listen, you say me I get married to her, everybody say, yeah, what you do? You know what? I'm say, yeah, everybody deserve a chance. You know, you can't, but touch someone.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Them gyal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gyal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
Y'all, this is the funniest thing ever. My dog is afraid of my wig. Oh, you think I'm lying? Watch this. You scared of this wig? Why you running from? Why you running from my wig? Your daddy gonna whoop you when he see you tore up this carpet. What are you doing? You scared of this wig? This wig.
All right, everybody, I'm Ernest Washington with the real goddamn weather report. If you look in the sky over there towards Tickfall, you see it black as a motherfucker. I wouldn't go that way for a little while, but the shit coming this way. So if you stay out here and look.
Oh! He needs some milk.
Alright, peeps. Here we are going now. Hear my thoughts on the whole matter. And now one thing me I go comment on. That brother there, my youth. This is a serious situation where you in a. You're definitely what you call a nice guy. No disrespect. Me know. Cause me used to be a nice guy. If you get me, nice guy. But not so nice. Brother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times my youth you get bun. You said the 3rd time you rush her and you beat her. You go up on 3-year parole, brother. Right? The car where you drive in a, you buck up the 2 of them. Right? You block them in. The Bonner man go as far as to send him daughter come a your yard. No big man thing, brother. You see you love her and you stick around too because you picking them safe cause the first time you say something happened and you cut left them there. You cut off that person there. Brother, you can't be a fool because of love. You can't be a yammer. And obviously as you can see, big brother, that woman there take you for fool. And I also blame you too. Because anything what that woman there do to you, you allow it to happen to on a big man level. You have a very strong heart and you love hard, brother, but you have to protect your heart. You have to be smart. You have to think with this sometime and left out this. Or bust a prayer and ask God what me for do. I'ma feel you know. But because you say you care about her and so, but brother, that woman don't care about you. She don't love your dog as style she style you. Don't be a yummy dog. 7 different times you get bun. 3rd time you say you beat her. Brother, you're strong. Enough man. Then will not possibly kill her a long time. But you strong and you hold up, brother. But I don't think you must stay in that relationship. You have to run her out of your house and make she go on about her business because clearly she not respect you, brother. To the point where you catch them and then the man I go bright and send all his daughter come in your yard to come stay Bonner man. I should have me. You're lucky it wouldn't even reach 2nd. She wouldn't even get the 2nd much. That's 3rd time we go do that. Brother. You know what I mean? That are my 2 cents on the matter still. Make a comment down below down there so let me know if you viewers and subscribers wanna deal with that and do that. Cause this I know funny, brother. Don't be a yammed. Don't be a yammed. But anyway, peeps, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And just go on journey there, boy. As rapper crapper wanna say, the struggle is real. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.